Okay, don't mind the mess. You know, you order a bunch of shit off of Amazon. It's what you get out the box. This is the TESFEEL flat top and flat bottom. I went with the flat top. I just like how it looks. Other people went with the round top with the flat bottom. And this one is double D design, orange stripe and stitching with heated Napa perforated leather grip, compatible with Raptor with paddle shifter models. So here's the paddle shifter holes, and they look all shitty just like I expected, but that's what it is when you order shit from, you know, made in China. This is how it comes. Look at this. I'm trying to unwrap this with one hand. I don't have a tripod. So, wow, it does feel good. It comes with this also. This is the carbon fiber. Wait. The insert. So it comes with this, right? My dog. You want to come in? Come on. Ran around the damn property. Okay. Yeah, it looks good. But you know how aftermarket shit is. They never like line up and fit right and feel right. But hey, it is whatever. But whatever. I mean, I really don't care for the carbon fiber shit. I just like the square top right here and square bottom. I really don't care about the heated either. But my paddle shifters, oh yeah. And look at that. Shit's all blemished and shit. But whatever, we'll make it work like everything else. Or whatever for the wheel. And this is just painted on. It's not the actual stitching because it's carbon fiber, so they just painted it on. But this is actually stitched right here, and they actually did a good job on the stitching. I seen other people that bought TESFEEL and their stitching was just horrible. Okay, yeah, this one is actually pretty good. Okay, yeah, I really like the feel of this and the square, because I usually put my hand like this. Yeah, it feels really good. So I got the airbag kind of semi off, and now gotta take the yellow clips. Can't see it right there. See, I pried right here on the orange and pushed them up to get those off. And these are color coded. You see those plugs are color coded, so you can't mess it up. Yellow goes to yellow, and then the light blue goes to light blue. Okay, god damn. I don't know if you can see that, but that where's my fucking that's horrible. And then we're gonna take off this plug and then this top piece and then the T50. Okay. It is windy. angle. Oh shit, my tools is on the flat. Okay, so got the airbag off. Let's put this passenger. Unclip these. Definitely need 2 hands. Okay, that one's unplugged. Where's this damn clip? Oh, up top. Okay. Damn. So it has yellow Loctite on the threads, and what I did was use this sort of like a breaker bar, so get it loosened, right? Break it out. Now I could take it off. Look at this shit. It has yellow Loctite. It's tough. Okay. Unscrew this. As you can see, it has a washer. See? So we'll put that right here. And then it comes off like this. Try to keep this straight. Right? Dude, the hardest part, longest, look, it's almost dark. Well, it is dark. The hardest part is this rubber piece right here. This is the back side of the steering wheel. It's this rubber weight piece right here. You have to take off the factory steering wheel and then put it into the new one. This is the front. So what I use is a little pick, right, to pick these little rubber pieces. You can see it's all scratched because I was using this little pick and just to pick it through, and man, that shit took like an hour. Fuck. Finally got it. So let's continue on. Okay, so I got the controls onto the new carbon fiber one. Here's the old. It says Raptor, but I don't care. I mean, this is the factory, and here's the new carbon fiber one. So let's get this. Wires has to be ran along the edge right here to fit the airbags. So we're gonna put it like, I've been fighting with this to get the fit and finish really aligned, as you can see right here. So you have to push it in and just get it perfect, and put some force on it. So I'm almost done. I gotta put the airbags on. So here it is, installed. This is not a install video, a how-to. This is a review. So this is the final setup right here, and I am loving it. drove at night because it took so long to install. I had to go run and grab some parts, but everything is flush. The stitching looks amazing. It's orange stitching. It looks red, but it's orange. I did the orange 12 o'clock, and then back here it has some like dimples, grooves, and it does feel really good. I went with the flat top instead of the round top because I don't see a lot of people with the flat top, and this also resembles and reminds me of driving a Huracan with the flat top, flat bottom. So I am very satisfied, and this bezel comes with it, with the steering wheel, when you order this style. I don't really care about the carbon fiber. I mean, it's gloss and smooth, but the perforated feels really good with the heated functions. It heats up really fast. I did a 15-minute break-in, so now when I turned it on, it heats up really fast, and I had to break it in, and now it just automatically like heats up, and it gets too hot and overbearing. So let me turn that off. But yeah, TESFEEL, I did an amazing job.